This is a complete MP3 player with high volume and small size. Let me tell you the different function it has. It has USB card reader and SD memory card playback system. It is used in both remote control and manual mode, while it has a Bluetooth system. Search and store all the FM radio stations in the area with the auto scan system, and you listen to the broadcast of your favorite FM radio station in very clear sound. And yes, I forgot to mention that it can run on any 12-volt battery. It consumes very little amperage current. Just use this compact MP3 player once and enjoy the music. Thank you for watching. This is Waris Electronics YouTube channel.